Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video I've got yet another gadget, which is a wireless air pump. And as you can imagine, I'm going completely wireless these days, getting all the smart tools and all the smart things that can be operated using different IoT devices and the phone, which allows me that to be function as a remote, which is quite good, quite convenient. So this one's a wireless air pump, definitely not an app that can control this, but it's obviously a wireless pump. It can be charged and then it can be used to sort of pump your footballs, basketballs and other gaming balls, and you can also pump your bikes and your car as well. So it's like an all-in-one solution, as you can see in the pictures there. Cars, motorbikes, bicycle and basketball. I am quite interested in all of these options. Quite an interesting one. And yeah, let's quickly get on with the unboxing. Obviously no place, no time and reasoning for pumping something. I might probably look at a football that I have to be inflated, but yeah, without any further ado, open it up. Before that, let's quickly have a look at some spec. Model number CZK5626, description: multifunction intelligent digital display electric inflator, 12 volt input, working voltage 7.4 volts, max power 60 watts, max current under 8 amp, output volume 30 liters per minute, battery capacity 2000 mAh times 2. Must be a spare battery, or I don't know, I have to check. LED total lumens, 20 lumens. Okay, so there's, oh right, there's also a torch in there. So 20 lumens, max inflating pressure 130 psi, and measurement accuracy plus minus 1.5 psi. That's quite high, in fact. Pressure unit psi, bar, kPa, kilograms per centimeter square. Air hose long 130 millimeters, plus minus 10 millimeter. Working temperature minus 20 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. Product size 130 by 80 by 47 millimeters and weight 390 grams. And some logos. Please disconnect the charger, white lighting and all that sort of stuff. Please pay attention to waterproof in storage, forbidden equipment and high temperature. Wireless pump, nothing here, picture here and something over here. Choice SKU number, made in China, code and some address information. Okay, so inside the box you've got an instruction manual that talks about to be careful. Some warning signs, some warning information, product parameters and product description, instructions, how you'd obviously inflate the tyres, pretty much standard method. You've got the proper tube that goes in, and you start your inflation. Nothing in particular. I think 2 years of warranty. That is a standard. A velvet case comes with it, which is good, so you can store the item in the velvet case. And some extensions and extenders. A Type-C cable, which is again great, I like it. Type-C cable. And a standard car hose for pump. And some connectors for bikes and other things. Yeah, good stuff. And finally we've got the wireless air pump. Let's get it out of the package. Right, and get this screen out of the way. Okay, so okay, yeah. So this is the wireless air pump. Quite bulky and quite heavy. About 390 grams, was it? Yeah, almost half a kilo is what I feel. There's the Type-C port at the bottom. There's some vent to dissipate the hot air, if that's the case. There must be some inbuilt batteries in there. I don't see ×2 over here. Obviously it's got the Type-C, so that might be about 4000 mAh battery inside to support the device. There's the LED right here and the connector here, and then obviously you can use the connector to sort of connect to these extensions that have been provided. Let's do that right now. Okay. I'll just use the one for the football. So that should be pretty straightforward and I suppose standard. Okay, hasn't gone in properly, has it? Nice and tight. Okay, nice and tight, nice and tight. And yeah, that's almost gone in. I don't think I need to be forceful on this. Yeah, it's almost gone in, and this goes in here and here, twisting and turning, getting this all ready for the filling up. Turning the power on here. Hope it does work. Oh, it's got some charge. It's actually half charged. So 0 bar. All you need to do is press the plus button and start, is it? No. How do you start? This? Oh, that's the light. Sorry. Okay, that's the light. Let's turn red too, and blinks and turns off. Okay. So now, how do we start the? I don't know. Wow, that's very loud. That's very loud. Let's try this one here. Wow, that is extremely loud. I don't know if I'll be able to use this. Okay, I've got mixed feelings at the moment looking at this device. It obviously does work, but it's got something very yeah, there's a motor that really vibrates very loud. I can sense some air coming out. Maybe this might help. It's very scary though, but it's yeah, it is what it is. So if you press this button, long press, turns off, and yeah, mixed feelings, mixed thinking, but I'll have to give it a try, fill up some of the gadgets I've got, like my football and other things, and see how it goes really. But yeah, I mean, wireless doesn't let you have those bulky gadgets and equipment that you used in the past, so in that sense, just keep it in the car and you're good to go. If there is anything I come across, I'll probably make another video, but other than that, this is pretty much the wireless unit that we've got, and the unboxing of this device. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next best. Take care, guys. Cheers. Bye-bye.